Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized, guys. It's 4 a.m. for me. I can't even sleep just because the good news keep on coming. We got Pundi X is going to go live on CNBC on March 28th, and now we have Huobi launches Pundi X today. And I don't even know if I'm saying the name right, but I'm just way too excited to even care if I'm pronouncing it right or not. But there you have it, guys. And actually, shout out to the Truth for pointing this specific piece of information out to me. So thank you for that. And I mean that pretty much does it for this video. But I want to say something that I've said before, and it's that Pundi X is going to definitely play a key role in the cryptocurrency mass adoption. And guys, it's just great that we are part of this. It's great that I'm pretty sure that in the future we will all be able to benefit from this, and it's just going to be amazing to watch it unfold the years to come. And I mean, we're growing at an even faster rate than we were like a year or so ago. We're definitely Pundi X is definitely making great strides, and I thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, for supporting me, and thank you so much for supporting Pundi X, because this is definitely a great project that we're definitely going to be doing well in the future. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and that pretty much does it for this video. And again, shout out to the Truth. Thank you so much for that.